welcome back to my channel. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Esteban, and like this video and leave a comment below if this video helps you. This video is to help you how to do a simple eyebrows on fleek for everyday look. This tutorial is best for girls that eyebrow is life. First thing to do is draw a perfect line and make it sure that it is clean and smooth and no harsh lines. Continuously blend it until you become satisfied. Always remember that blending is very important doing your makeup. Blending prevents you from unwanted dark and heavy harsh lines. Step 2 is draw a diagonal line and connect it to the tip of your first line. And don't forget to fill on those blank space. Third step, draw a half line and connect it to the second line that you have done a while ago. And again, blend, 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 blend. Blending is the key to success, guys. The next thing that I am doing is one of my special technique, guys. I am creating a line to connect the half lines that I made. Remember, guys, make sure that your hand is in lightweight position to create this technique. Same with the lower side. Focus. Focus. You need to be serious, guys, at this moment. Okay then, blend, 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 blend again. Blending is the key to success. Always remember that. Yippee! We are here! The final step. The last thing that I'm doing is absolutely no other than blending and blending again and again and again. Right now, I am creating a shadow effect, so it looks more natural and eye-catching. Make sure that your hand is in lightweight position. Step 1. Step 2. Step 3, the half line. And blend, 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 blend. Next thing, connecting your line to your half line. And the last one is blending and creating a shadow. Alright, free idea. If you do some mess, you can put some concealer or foundation to clean all the edges and it creates 3D and embossed effects. here's our final look. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Thank you!